I'm back at this job where I had bad voltage. My incoming line voltage was low, creating havoc on my control circuit. And I gotta go up this, and this is the one I think with the killer hatch. So I think I have to actually change this box that I hate with a passion. Let's make sure the power's off. What was pretty much happening was that was burning away. See how hot it was getting? And screwing with the power. So incoming we have 0. Okay, we have no volts. That lusty hose. I just hit everything. Doesn't really matter. Make it easier. Okay. While we're waiting for that, they're using the first knockout on this side. Okay. Okay, let's not get killed. Let's get this door out of my way so it doesn't attack me. I'll be trying to do that, and that door is going to be falling on me. Everything's freaking like that. Should I be on that one? You want to go with phasing? No, not touching. What do you expect from a free marker? 1, 3. Let's go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1. Okay. If you don't want to write it down. Oh, Burt Reynolds just died. That sucks. Smokey and the Bear. I love this Trans Am. Okay. Okay. Good. So was that red once upon a time? Looks like it. Nah, it was black. Okay. They have like terminal protector spray already on these. Okay. They punched the whole thing out. I think I'm gonna be like anything I try. Good. Yeah, it's still whatever. I can curse myself out since I did it. That one's still good. Good splice. We're gonna go right in. Okay, just like before, let's take this off. Because I feel like I'm ruining my GoPro. Okay. This is one. Let's cut it all the way back. Make sure you have good connections. Make sure when you're stripping your wire that you're not actually cutting your copper, because if you start cutting your copper, like even this one I'm going to redo, but if you actually cut the copper, you're actually giving yourself a thinner wire that can't handle the amperage. Everything is there. It's marked a little, but I didn't actually cut. You want to make sure they're all going in. You don't want to have a strand or two sticking on the outside. Okay, so there's all those connections. have been one of those wires that was getting hot. Because even look, that's brand new cut, the copper. That came off, but I mean, I'm green. The system worked really good from the time I left, at least. The heat in the summer is definitely getting to me. Big boy toys out. I brought the Kleins up. It's like them and the Rigid when the shit hits the fan. I love Knipex, I love my NWS, but I mean, this just doesn't have the momentum and force use like a hammer like this thing. This is like the ultimate plier. I love it. So for knockouts and stuff like that, as much as I like the NWS, I love the German combination pliers setup where it's got the different spots to do different things besides just grab and pull. For just regular service work, perfect. When you start dealing with installation stuff, I think I prefer the Kleins, the Rigids over. I mean, the Knipex are great. I probably still use the Knipex for installation. Okay, so all this is on. Nothing is loose. Okay. Let's verify. Once I kick the power on for this thing, I don't want to come back into this. Okay, so all that is tight. Okay, just make sure. Okay. So I'm gonna go turn this back on. I brought a controller with me just in case, but I think I'm gonna send it back. Might piss off my park guy, but I didn't want to come out here when this is like a 45-minute ride for me without a board if I needed it. Okay, so the power is back on. Now this is needed again. I'm not leaving just yet. I'm gonna make sure it is working, but there goes a compressor, it sounded like. Put this here. AC's not on yet. Any second. Should be coming on. There's a time delay bypass, right? There we go. Compressor's on. Blower's on. Alright. So I know that that works. And I just gotta verify, even though I know I didn't screw with the phasing. So my blower is going in the correct direction. Okay. Yes, and we're going in the correct direction. Well, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Okay, well, I just wanted to show the damage here, since in the actual video you can't see. But look at that terminal there. It's completely worn out. Even on the upper end, it's all discolored. They were actually eating away at each other. The middle's fine. This one's doing a little damage. Not a lot. But this one here, that was my bad connection. You could see how it's just deteriorated on the blades. And it was just sparking instead of making a good connection. As you can see, it's almost barely touching. Right there, it's touching, but it's almost barely touching. And, well, that was the reason why I lose my voltage on occasion. Not all the time, but on occasion. Till next time, I'm Bill and I'm out.